Once Maya is open, we are ready to start a new project. So if I click New Scene over here or New over here, then Maya opens up. And what I need to do now, before I do anything else, is make sure that my project is being set and saved in the proper place. So I'm going to go to the File menu and choose Set Project. And then I'm going to navigate to where I want my project to be saved. And I'm going to go to this particular project folder for me. I can double click that. And then I can choose this. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to right click. In here, I'm going to choose New Folder. So I would do this before starting any project. I'm going to tell it what the name of the project is. And I'm calling it Basic. And then I'm going to double click that. And then I have set it. So my project is going to be going in here into this particular directory. And then I click Set. And then when you first start a project, it is also going to do this. It's going to ask you, where should I save this default workspace? And I'm going to click Create Default Workspace. Now I'm doing that for this particular project. So it's creating where my windows are for this workspace. My project is set. Now I'm going to actually save this scene. So I'm going to choose Save Scene As, and then ask me, what do I want to save this scene as? And I'll just call it Shot 1. And you can see where it is going, and I'm going to name this project file Shot 1, and then click Save As. And now I am set to do my work. And anytime I save, it is going to be saving to that project folder.